Welcome to a deep dive into the world of old money fashion, a realm where style is not merely an aesthetic choice but a subtle assertion of power and heritage. Today, we're exploring how the fashion choices of the old money elite go beyond materials and trends to weave a narrative of influence and legacy. When we think of old money fashion, it's easy to conjure images of luxurious fabrics like silk and velvet and the opulent designs often seen in period dramas or aristocratic portraits. But these garments represent far more than just their visible attributes. They are symbols of an invisible empire, embodying a hidden language of power and prestige that dictates more than just fashion. It dictates how one rules the world without uttering a single word. The hidden language of old money fashion. Old money fashion is characterized by a subtleness that speaks volumes about its wearers. It's not about ostentatious displays or flashy logos but about an understated elegance that denotes wealth and influence through quiet confidence. Consider, for example, the iconic tweed jacket. Far from being just a practical choice for Scotland's rugged climate, tweed has evolved into a symbol of old money sophistication. For those with a heritage steeped in tradition, wearing tweed is a nod to ancestral lands and a long-standing family lineage. It is a deliberate choice that reflects a deep-rooted connection to history and heritage. Similarly, bespoke tailoring is not just about a perfect fit but about a tribute to craftsmanship and exclusivity. In a world increasingly dominated by fast fashion and mass production, a custom-made suit is a silent declaration of one's appreciation for personalized quality. It speaks to a value system that honors the art of tailoring and the tradition of high craftsmanship. For the old money elite, such clothing is not merely a matter of appearance but an investment in preserving the legacy of artisanal skill. The subtle power of accessories. Accessories in old money fashion are not just decorative but are imbued with meaning and history. Take the signet ring, for instance. This small yet significant piece of jewelry often carries intricate family crests and is passed down through generations. It is more than a mere adornment, it's a testament to a family's lineage and a marker of identity that links the past to the present. Wearing a signet ring is a subtle assertion of one's place within a broader historical context. In the realm of watches, old money individuals tend to favor brands like Patek Philippe or Jaeger-LeCoultre, names that are revered among connoisseurs but not widely known in popular culture. These timepieces represent a deep appreciation for heritage and craftsmanship, eschewing flashy logos for understated elegance. The choice of such watches reflects a preference for lasting quality over transient trends, aligning with the old money ethos of valuing legacy over novelty. The psychological and social implications of old money fashion. The fashion of the old money elite is as much about psychological identity as it is about social status. The preference for timeless pieces over fleeting trends speaks to a mindset of stability and endurance. When others chase the latest fashions, old money individuals stick with classic items like a perfectly cut navy blazer or a simple pearl necklace. This choice is a deliberate declaration of enduring value and a rejection of the superficiality often associated with fast fashion. Hand-me-downs are another intriguing aspect of old money fashion. The practice of passing clothing from one generation to the next is not just sentimental but a social statement. An heirloom Chanel suit or a vintage Cartier watch carry stories of family heritage and continuity. It's a visual testament to the lasting legacy of a family and an embodiment of their history. Uniforms and formal wear at elite schools and exclusive clubs also play a significant role in old money fashion. These garments, whether they are blazers with crests or black tie ensembles, create a sense of belonging and exclusivity. They serve as visual cues that one is part of a distinguished group, reinforcing a shared identity and status. Power dressing and the psychology of old money fashion. Power dressing is another crucial element. In business settings, old money individuals often choose clothing that exudes authority and understated confidence. A bespoke suit, tailored to perfection, is not just a style choice but a form of psychological armor. It influences how one is perceived and how one perceives oneself. The poise and preparedness that come with wearing a custom-tailored suit contribute to an aura of command and professionalism. Moreover, the avoidance of flashy trends is not merely a social statement but a psychological strategy. It reflects a mindset of stability and long-term thinking, contrasting with the ephemeral nature of fast fashion. This preference for the enduring over the transient extends beyond clothing, influencing other aspects of life such as investments, relationships, and personal values. Fashion as a political statement. Old money fashion has also served as a subtle form of political expression. During times of political unrest, when overt displays of wealth could be seen as insensitive, the elite opted for more subdued styles. This choice was not just about fashion but a calculated move to maintain an image of stability and responsibility. The nuances of fashion, such as the choice of a particular tie or the cut of a suit, could convey messages of solidarity, authority, or diplomatic intent. Fashion in these contexts became a powerful tool for asserting influence and expressing political stances, often in ways that were only discernible to those in the know. The manner of wearing one's clothing, an air of poise and restraint, also contributes to a non-verbal assertion of presence and influence. The designers behind old money fashion. Finally, the role of fashion designers in shaping old money style cannot be overstated. Designers like Coco Chanel, Christian Dior, and Giorgio Armani have crafted garments that embody the ideals of tradition, exclusivity, and timeless elegance. Their designs go beyond mere fashion statements to become symbols of a lifestyle and vision that resonate with the old money ethos. These designers understood the power of understatement. The simplicity of a Chanel suit or the clean lines of a Dior dress were not just stylistic choices but declarations of a philosophy where quality and craftsmanship are paramount. Their influence extends beyond individual garments, setting standards of beauty and elegance that have defined generations. As we conclude this exploration of old money fashion, we see that it is not merely a relic of the past but a living testament to the enduring interplay between style and power. The fashion choices of the old money elite are deeply intertwined with their identity, values, and social standing. They reflect a rich tapestry of tradition, discretion, and influence that continues to shape perceptions and behaviors. Thank you for joining me on this sartorial voyage. As we step out of the grand halls of old money fashion and return to the present, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the depth and complexity of this unique fashion legacy. Keep exploring the stories hidden in plain sight, they hold the secrets to understanding the world we live in today.